Hello students of grade 10. We'll do some extra question from exercise 8.1 which can be important for your exam. Question number 1. Cot theta is given as 3 by 4. So when theta is given, you can draw the diagram. Theta, here A, B, C. So if this is theta, this is your perpendicular. This is your base and this is your hypotenuse. Longest side is hypotenuse. Cot is reciprocal of tan. Tan is turn permanently black. So it will be B by P. So what is B here? B is 3 and P is 4. So this is BC by AB. So you can write AB is 4, BC is 3 and AC you are going to find. Use Pythagoras theorem to find AC. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is 4 square plus 3 square. So AC square equal to 4 square is 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. So your AC will be root 25, which is equal to 5. So we got AC also. Now we need sec and cosec. So find sec and cosec. So cosec is reciprocal of sine. Sine theta is some people have. So it will be H by P. H is 5, P is 4. Now sec, reciprocal of cos. Cos is curly brown here, so it will be H by B, reciprocal. That is 5 by 3. Let's find, we are going to prove this equal to this. So to prove, root over sec theta minus cosec theta by sec theta plus cosec theta equal to 1 by root 7. So take LHS. Sec theta minus cosec theta by sec theta plus cosec theta. Put the value. Sec is 5 by 3 minus cosec is 5 by 4 divided by, you can write sec is 5 by 3 plus 5 by 4. Please take the LCM here. Here LCM is 3 4 is 12. So cross multiply. 4 5 is 20 minus 3 5 is 15. Here LCM is 12. You'll get 20 plus 15. So after LCM, you can cut this denominator. Same denominator you can cut. So what you're getting here, 20 minus 15 is 5 and 20 plus 15 is 35. We can cancel again. So we're getting root 1 is 1 and root 7 will be root 7 only, which is equal to right hand side. And then you can write therefore LHS equal to RHS. You can pause the video to write the solution. This is root 7, okay? Root 1 is 1, root 7 is root 7, which is equal to right hand side. Hence proof, okay? Let's go to the next question. Here, tan theta is given as A by B. Tan is turned permanently black. If I draw a diagram, A, B, C, let us put theta here, P, B, H. Opposite to theta is perpendicular. So this is your A, this is your B. So AB by BC. So AB is A, BC is B, AC is missing. So use Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Put the value A square plus B square. We cannot add, so find directly AC is root over A square plus B square. So your H is root over A square plus B square. Yeah, we got the H. We need sine and cos, so find sine. Some people have, that means A by root over A square plus B square. Then find cos, curly brown here, that is B by root over A square plus B square. Now let us prove this. A sin theta minus B cos theta is sin theta plus B cos theta. So put the value. A sin theta is how much? A by minus B into B by root over A square plus B square. Again downside. A into A by, this is into, okay, root over A square plus B square plus B into cos is B by root over A square plus B square. So this AA will be A square by root over A square plus B square, B square by root over A square plus B square. Multiply, AA is again A square by root over A square plus B square. B into B is B square by, now you can take the LCM. LCM here is root over A square plus B square. So if the LCM is same, upside no change, A square minus B square. Here also LCM is root over A square plus B square. So upside no change will be A square plus B square. So we can cut this after the LCM. So what is left? A square minus B square by A square plus B square. So we have got the proof, okay, which we are going to prove is, we are going to prove this, so we got this answer. So therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proof, okay. Let's go to third extra question. Here cos theta is given as 12 by 13. Cos theta is curly brown here. So let us draw the diagram. A, B, C, curly brown here. If this is theta, this is your perpendicular, this is your base, and longest side is hypotenuse. That means B is 12 and H is 13. So BC by AC. AB we don't know, we're going to find. BC is 12 and AC is 13. Use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, and writing in short, write the full spelling. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Put the value. AB we're going to find 12 square equal to 13 square. AB square, 12 square is 144 and 13 square is 169. 169, 144 goes on the other side. So AB square will be 25. So what will be AB? AB will be root 25, that is 5. Now since you are going to find the value of this, find sine. Sine theta is some people have. Since I got this as 5, it will be 5 by 13 and we need 10. Then theta equal to turn permanently back. That is 5 by 12. So we're going to prove, just write to prove. Sine theta 1 minus tan theta equal to 35 by 156. We're going to prove this. So take LHS and prove. LHS, left hand side is sine theta 1 minus tan theta. Put the value. Sine is 5 by 13. 1 minus 10 is 5 by 12. Take the LCM. Here LCM is 12. Cross multiply 12 into 1 is 12 minus 5. 5 by 13. 12 minus 5 is 7 by 12. Now if you multiply 5 into 12, if you multiply 5 into 7 is 35, and 13 into 12 is 156. See the answer, it's matching. We can write therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Here you can pause the video to write the solution. Thank you.